Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about the features of Amazon EC2. Amazon EC2 has the following features: instances, Amazon Machine Images AMIs, instance types, key pairs, instance store volumes, Amazon EBS volumes, regions, availability zones, local zones, AWS outposts and wavelength zones, security groups, elastic IP addresses, tags, and virtual private clouds (VPCs). Let us briefly talk about each of these features. Instances. An instance is a virtual server in the AWS cloud. Amazon Machine Images AMIs. An AMI is a pre-configured template for your instance that packages the components you need for your server, including the operating system and additional software. You must use an AMI to launch an EC2 instance. Instance types. There are different kinds of EC2 instances you can launch. They depend on various configurations of CPU, memory, storage, networking capacity, and graphics hardware for your instances. Key pairs. EC2 instances have secure login information. The login information has two keys. One is public key and the other is private key. AWS stores the public key and you store the private key in a secure place. Instance store volumes. EC2 instances offer certain amounts of memory depending on the types. Storage volumes are for temporary data that is deleted when you stop, hibernate, or terminate your instance. Amazon EBS volumes. EC2 instances can have persistent storage volumes for your data using Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS. EBS volumes remains in the system even if the EC2 instance has stopped, hibernated, or terminated. Regions, availability zones, local zones, AWS outposts, and wavelength zones. Multiple physical locations for your resources such as instances and Amazon EBS volumes. Security groups. Security groups are for the security of your EC2 instances. A security group is a virtual firewall that allows you to specify the protocols, ports, and source IP ranges that can reach your instances and the destination IP ranges to which your instances can connect. Elastic IP addresses. They are static IPv4 addresses and used for dynamic cloud computing. Tags. Tags are metadata or label that you can create and assign to your Amazon EC2 resources. Virtual private clouds, VPCs. VPCs are virtual networks you can create that are logically isolated from the rest of the AWS cloud. You can optionally connect these virtual networks to your own network. In conclusion, it is a good idea to have a better understanding about the features of Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, Amazon EC2. That's all about Amazon EC2 features. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.